You can't make this stuff up. One of my sheep is out. Those ones have ran through the fence. My sheep that's out is buddied up with some feral sheep. Getting really tired of it, actually. I've actually had it up to here, and I'm pointing at my head up to here. I've had it up to the top. Them two, they're not mine. That one there, I haven't named her yet. She is the one that keeps getting out. She was out yesterday, she was out today. She's picked up these other two feral little lammies. One of them is there. And now I have other sheep, and it's my sheep again. So what are we going to call number one? Get a good creative name. Number one's been getting out through the hole in the gate, which I fixed up the other day. But now I opened it to let number one back in, because that's how she wanted to get back in the paddock. And then these other two lambs ran in with her. That was the first thing they did. They actually went there before her. They were like, oh yeah, open spot in the gate, into this paddock. Oh my god, so annoying. Alright, number one, I've got an inset wire now. Will you stay in? Wherever you are. You, the one that's green from being in the trees. Number one, stay in the paddock. And you, guess I'm just going to keep you. You mine now. You'll love to go on the truck, won't you? Lay at the bailage a little. Not that I even care at this point. Getting tired of this stuff. My hot wire isn't touching anywhere. It's a bit high. Let's get a fence standard and pull that down, won't we? Definitely. Alright. Got hot wires everywhere. I'm going to come back tomorrow and you're just going to be in here. How about that? Does that sound good? Watching you, number one. Sly dog back there.
Go back!
I don't think Lass has a single clue.
Go back, Lass! Go back!
Come back, she says. Oh, we are being haunted by sheep. Those are not our sheep, obviously, because I have 5. And they're in our horse paddocks now. And obviously the dogs are getting them, as you can tell.
Hey, girl!
No! Go back, Lass! Go back! Go back! You're dumb!
Lass, go back! Go back!
Beautiful evening for a run. Okay, sheep, go all the way back where you came from. I think we're going to have to do this on our own, Jamie.
Wearing my good shoes.
I know, I'm wearing my good shoes too. Not a gumboot in sight.
Oh. This whole fence line is yucky. So busy!
If only we had dogs with an ounce of training.
This is like, oh, Lass isn't going, so I'm not going. Good girl!
Shake 'em up, Boots! Run right through the meadow and just spread them everywhere. That's it. Good job.
Come back, Lassie. Hey, can we take them the other way? You guys speak English? We want them to go the other way. Lass, can we have a conversation? We're gonna take them that way, okay?
Oh, God. Lass! Oh, my God. Lass! Ah! Where are the others gone? Oh. Oh, God. Oh. This literally couldn't be going any worse. Those guys are cute though. I just did running. I think I'm gonna die. Hazel! Hazel! Okay, well, they're going back where they belong. Whew. Not fit. Not fit at all. There's the back. These sheep are my actual enemies. Who knows what my sheep are doing? At least I don't see any yellow tags with them. There is no denying that Skittles did not like the sheep event. Getting a bale of yummier hay for my sheep. So I've been giving them my horse hay and the horse baleage, which is good quality, but the grass itself that it's made out of is not good quality. So, you know, it's tasty food, but it doesn't have good plants in it. It's, you know, it's old horse grass. So yeah, I'm going to get them a bale of this stuff, which is oats. I think I've made a mistake because the fence is right there and then the other fence is there. I don't know how I'm going to turn around and get out, but I'll cross that bridge in a second. So I'll just put you down and I'll pick up the bale. My 6 million point turn. Farmers will probably say, why didn't you just drive over the tape? But I don't want to break it and I don't want to fix it, so I'll just take 5 minutes to do a 7,000 point turn. I was planning on picking up that bale nicer, but as you can tell, I didn't have it in me, so I just picked it up sideways. Now there is a sheep out way down there. Oh, that's 2 sheep. If that's number 1, there's gonna be a war. Swift gear. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good sheep. Now don't go run through the fence. That's quite often what happens, is those other 2 will run away and then my sheep are like, oh my gosh, gotta go with you. Now, there's a few marks in the paddock here. If you can't see, you can see those. Those are not from me. My dad actually came down and some sheep, the feral sheep, got in with my sheep, and he got them out for me. So I think he had a little bit of a hard time. He was in his truck. He had no dogs. I don't know if he had his patience with them either. Anyway, so he got them separated, and it's been 2 days now where all my sheep have been in, and we've had no extra sheep in the paddock too, so that's very exciting. It's been 2 days since number one the sheep has been out, which is honestly a record at this point. Did test the fence. It's putting out, was it 9,500 volts on each wire, so they should be staying in pretty good. Hay feeder here somewhere. There. So yeah, there's my 5 sheep, and then I'm gonna pop this bale onto my little truck here. Her name is Tetanus. She doesn't look too bad from this side, but the other side she's actually missing a door, and she's called Tetanus because I think if you got a scratch off of tetanus, you may get tetanus. So I'll pop you back up on my handy dandy little holder, and we'll get this bale up on the truck. It's a bit jumpy, this tractor. I'd like the record to state that is not as easy as it looks, and I have had many bales fall off during this procedure. You're on the back of tetanus. I'm just going to go tip that hay out and put some of this gooder, better, yummier oat hay in their paddock. That was awkward as to get in there and awkward as to get out. Alright, some of this stuff. This is Tetanus's less cute side. Homemade phone stand. We're gonna have to take Titness a bit closer because that is gonna take hours and that hay is just falling to bits. I don't know if I even remember how to drive this thing. Reverse way down there. That's the key. Oh gosh. I can't remember how to get this to go. Not a good truck if you don't like spider webs. Okay, I can't see. Are we in reverse? Can the sheep tell me when to stop, please? We're going to stall to a stop, I think. That'll do. Good job, Titness. That's a bit closer. There's a couple of yucky bits that'll fall on the ground. So I'll make nests out of that, sleep in it, poo on it, pee on it, do whatever they want later. Right, absolutely destroyed the paddock. Looks like a war scene's going on over here. You girls better appreciate that. Who wants some of this? You want some? Oh, she's eating some baleage. Here. Come try this. Yum. Bye girls. See you tomorrow. Can't see a thing. There's the sheep. Oh, the time it took me to get out from this paddock and all the way around the corner. They're going up to it. That's the hay that was in the feeder. Oh yeah, that's the oats. That's going down well. Except that one sheep. That oats gets a big tick. That is good stuff. Oh, I'm glad you girls like it. Sorry you don't like my hay or my baleage.